Morning to my teachers and all my dear friends. Today I am going to share my words of most amazing person that ever born, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He was one of the most humble, intelligent, wise, selfless, lovely and lovable leaders and scientists ever born. His full name was Abul Qasim Janaluddin Abdul Kalam. He was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameswaram. His father, he was popularly known as Missile Man of India, and he was born in the middle class Muslim family. Since then, the beginning of his days, he was very hardworking and diligent person. His father was a poor boatman, and he 7 children, so he helped his family to earn livelihood along with his study. His father's name was Janaluddin and his mother's name was Asma. Dr. Kalam did not marry anyone. He was 11th president of India to serve the country. He was not only a president. He also one of the most famous scientists who have worked with highly famous organizations like DRDO and ISRO. Politics never attract Dr. Kalam, but in year 2002, Indian National Democratic Alliance requested him to nominate him for the post of president. He is thinking of the nation and need eagerness to work the country and work for the country, and had him to say yes the post of president, and who served as the 11th president of India from 2002 to 2007. He is one who thought dreams as to see dreams, because he was man of dreams, of ideas. He dreamed the making India one of the superpowers in the world, and his ideas was really different. He thought as that the dreams are not those which you see when you sleep, but they are those which never let you sleep. He always encouraged everyone to work hard without thinking about the result. He believed if you work hard, you will definitely get the result as well. His efforts and contribution never forgotten by anyone. The government of India honored him with the Padma Bhushan 1981, the Padma Vibhushan in 1990, and highest civilian award Bharat Ratna in 1997 for his great work. He wrote various books, among those his autobiography Wings of Fire 1999. It is really hard to believe that he is not with us. He is always our mind forever. He left us on 27th of July 2015 while delivering his speech at the Institute of Management, Shillong, due to cardiac arrest. This day is one of the saddest days in the history. At last, I would like to say, when he left us, he is still in our hearts as the inspiration and motivation. Dr. Kalam is role model for all of us, and like him, we can also fulfill our dreams with hard work and honesty. Thank you very much.